Completely power off and unplug your MacBook before you start. Use the P5 pentalobe driver to remove screws from the lower case. Remove the lower case. Lift the protective film covering the battery interface to expose the interface. Use the spudger to slowly lift the speaker interface, disconnecting it. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. Use the spudger to scrape off the adhesive on the speaker. Wrap the adhesive strip around the spudger. Slowly and parallelly pull out the adhesive strip. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. Note that the adhesive strip is prone to breakage. Avoid excessive pulling, peel off the adhesive slowly. Remove the speakers on both sides. Use the T3 Torx driver to remove the securing screws of the battery on both sides. Use the spudger to scrape off the adhesive at the bottom of the battery. Wrap the adhesive strip around the spudger. Slowly and parallelly pull out the adhesive strip. Note that the adhesive strip is prone to breakage. Avoid excessive pulling, peel off the adhesive slowly. Don't attempt to remove the battery cells from their metal backing tray. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. Use the T5 Torx driver to remove the securing screws of the trackpad. Note, the screws are very soft, please be careful when you work. If the screw head is damaged, please stop disassembly, replace professional tools and disassemble again. Slowly lift the trackpad cable, disconnecting the part stuck to the battery. Lift the MacBook slightly, move the trackpad. Move the trackpad appropriately, being careful not to overstretch the trackpad cable to avoid scraping. For the top part, pass the battery through the bottom of the logic board. For the bottom part, avoid the battery cutting the trackpad cable. Remove the battery. Take the short adhesive strip from the packaging. Place it in the correct position as shown in the video. Use the spudger to peel off the protective film of the adhesive strip. Take out the new battery and pass it slowly along the bottom of the trackpad cable. For the top part, pass the battery through the bottom of the logic board. For the bottom part, avoid the battery cutting the trackpad cable. Be sure to place the battery down only after aligning with the screws on both sides. Adjust the trackpad, align it with the screw holes. Use the T5 Torx driver to install the screws. Flatten the trackpad cable, ensuring it adheres to the battery. Press the battery repeatedly to make the new battery fit tightly to the MacBook. Use the T3 Torx driver to install the battery securing screws on both sides. Take out the speaker, stick the long adhesive strip on the bottom. Fold the stretching band over the speaker, then peel off the protective film. Place the speaker flat, press appropriately to ensure adhesion. Repeat the same procedure on the other side. Use the spudger to install the speaker interfaces on both sides. Lift the protective film of the battery interface, then push the battery interface into its connector. Ensure the battery interface is properly seated to prevent power supply issues. Close the MacBook lower case. Use the P5 pentalobe driver to install the screws, and pay attention to the length of the screws.